Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jazmine and today it's Monday, October 15th and I am packing for a vacation. My family and I are going on a cruise. It's gonna be like a 4-day cruise, so it's not gonna be like long or anything, unfortunately. Normally I would pack my whole entire wardrobe, or basically my whole entire room, because I felt the need to do that, and because of that I had a lot of baggage, which was a problem and it was weighing me down. So my goal for this vacation is to stuff everything into this big luggage, okay? Besides my like laptop and electronics, like obviously I'm going to be carrying like a carry-on bag for those type of things. But before I get into that, I am going to be doing a mini haul because my family and I went shopping for some clothing and stuff for the cruise, and yeah, these are the things that I got. But I got this little fan and it has bunny ears on it and it looks so cute. Look at that. And normally when we do go on the cruises, it's normally hot, especially in Mexico, so got this just in case I don't want to sweat off my life. 2 bags technically. So first bag is this baskin purse, and this was like really in for the summertime, but I didn't really feel the need to buy it in the summertime, so I thought now it'll be cute because it's gonna match some of my dresses that I plan on wearing in Catalina Islands. Plus I needed like a small / medium bag because I normally have like really big bags because I need to stuff a lot of things in my bags, but this is nice size. Then I went to Ted Baker in the outlets and I got this purse right here. Even though I'm not taking it on a cruise, I just got it because it looked so cute and I'm gonna use it for like everyday use. It's like acrylic plastic, so that means it won't get dirty easily, which makes me really happy. And it's very sturdy and very stiff, but since it's like very stiff, it was kind of hard for me to stick stuff inside the purse. Like right now I have my big wallet, but it was like even hard for me to stick my wallet in there. But now it's more moldable, I guess. My mother and I are going to be visiting Ted Baker more often because we really liked a lot of the stuff in the store. The next thing I got, I wanted to get a bigger makeup bag for the cruise. I grabbed the makeup bag and also the tote from the display because I didn't think that they were the display. I thought they were just gonna resell. I don't know what I was thinking. Went up to the cashier and I told them I just want these 2 items and all that, and then the lady said she was gonna go in the bag and grab 2 brand new ones, and I was like, okay, cool. They come back and they switched out the big makeup bag for the smaller makeup bag. I mean, it's like extremely cute and it's like a nice size, but this is not the size that I wanted. The one that I wanted was like a lot bigger. It was like at least this big. So that way I was able to put my everyday makeup and some of my skincare in there. But luckily I wasn't charged the same price as the bigger makeup bag. I was charged the smaller makeup bag. But still, it's upsetting because I didn't want this size. So I'm most likely am going to give this to my friend either Christmas time or like the next time I see her, because I feel like she will really like this a lot. So also from the outlets, we went to Tory Burch and my mother and I got these workout leggings, which I didn't know they had like fitness wear. I was unaware.
Stop it.
They're extremely stretchy, which is really nice because I'm not gonna lie, I'm gaining weight and I'm like really scared that a lot of the clothes that I do have is not gonna fit me, but it gives me a nice excuse to buy more clothes. So, and then I ordered 3 items from Forever 21. I went on to Forever 21 and I got a nice bralette type of bra, and I'm wearing it right now and it feels really comfortable and I like it a lot. I got these black leggings. They're high-waisted leggings and it was only $3. which I was so surprised because normally the basics on the Forever 21 websites sell out very quickly because they're very inexpensive. And normally, like, they'll either sell out quickly or they will sell out on my size, which is like a small or sometimes an extra small. So I was really surprised that they had this in my size for $3. I got this mostly because I needed more like loungewear. Also, this would be really nice for fall time too. So got it for loungewear, got it for fall wear, and it was only like $2. So the last thing that I got is some shoes, and these are from Steve Madden's, and these are some like sandals, and they look very cute. Majority of those things were for the cruise, besides my 10 big purse that was not for the cruise. So now on to packing my bag. So I'm first going to start off with putting my flats at the bottom of my suitcase. Then I am going to put my jackets over it. I have my black bomber's jacket, and I'm also going to put my white jacket that I got from Forever 21, but then I took it out because I am going to wear that when I leave. At the top left corner, I am going to put all my loungewear, like my Adidas sweats and also my leggings. In the right corner, I am putting my pajamas and also my robe there. In the middle, I am putting my shorts and any of my other thin lounge shirts. In the middle, I am putting my Reformation pants just because it is a little bit thicker than all of my other pants. And then I'm going to put my black pants and also my skirts on the left side. On the right side, I am putting all my dresses there, and I'm just putting them in randomly. I also rolled up some of my dresses, and I'm putting them on the side. At the bottom left corner, I am putting my bodysuits. In the middle, I'm going to put my crop tops, and on the right side, I am going to put my regular shirts. On the other side, I am going to angle my heels like this just to make more room. Then I am going to put my makeup and skincare bags in the middle. So now I added my undergarments, toiletries, bags, and any other miscellaneous things that I have. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time.